Okay fellas, hi everyone, and today we have something on Abyss mode. It's a 1-inch Milwaukee driver and it's lack of power, and what I can feel, I cannot even move the handle with my hands, so I will be needed to open it to check what can be wrong here. Okay, let's try to do that. Probably hand or with the Allen key. Okay, this one will take some time. Okay, unscrew the 3 screws because the fourth one was not here, and you can see that itself just breaking it out, so I need to open it and of course check what's coming wrong here. Okay. And the part we want to see here is our angle, and okay, now you can see that it's moving very easy, but if I'm pressing it in, it starts to not move. And let's check. Of course, a lot of dirt here. Okay, so basically, okay, I want to see if the gear wants to spin around. Yeah, the gear wants to spin around. The magnet is really strong here. Okay, the bearings looks fine. Of course, we have some dirt here. Okay, all sensors are good. So let's check. For the gear. Okay, the gear looks nice here. The bearing moves easily. This one moves easily. And when we have the problem, when the anvil is in a housing, so what you can expect here, we have some small damage here. So for the and when I need to put it in, it just now it feels good. Okay, so let's try probably cleaning it and some look back. Okie dokie. After some cleaning, what I can see, I have not found anything really bad. Of course, we have some wear and tear signs on the anvil, maybe some on the housing, but still I think it will work good after washing and greasing it. So I'm greasing the anvil here nicely. Okay, I will grease the washer because the grease will help to hold it in a place, the housing. Okay, let's check. Yeah, now it fits nicely, and I'm moving it, it just moves around easily. So I think the problem was that it was a lot of dirt in a small gap on the anvil on the housing, and that's all. And I think and I hope that I'm right. Okay, so now just spread some grease on the gears, and for the ball bearing I used the bird grease, very nice grease. Okay, so let's check how it fits here without the armature. That armature is so strong. Okay, it fits nicely. What I will do, I will put some grease here underneath the spring. Just like that, and it will go all around the way. Lubricating the hammer a little bit from the inside, not too much. Okay, now can get it in. Okay, got it in. It spins nicely, easily. What I want to do now, I want to get my work clean. Okay, I forgot to lubricate the sides of the housing. Okay, I think this will be enough. So now let's see, this one was like that, and okay, this gasket needs to be here. Okay, after inserting this little boy here and then here. Okay, just mounting the gasket, and I need to lift it a little bit, put it not straight in place. Okay, now it's in place. Okay,